Hello and welcome back. After several requests to make a matching quiz with pictures, I'm recording this video. So as usual, we have to have a Google account where we click on blank quiz. So here I'll call it matching pictures. The previous video that it was uploaded regarding the matching question, it was a multiple choice grid. However, using the multiple choice grid, I cannot add pictures like here. As you can see, I cannot add pictures. I can add picture only to the question. So here in the rows and columns, I cannot add. So this is why we will try to do it in a different way. So we will choose the multiple choice question. In the multiple choice question, I will write match the flag with appropriate, too many mistakes today, destination. Okay, and here I can upload from my computer, or I will use the Google image search. So I say India flag. Okay, and I click on insert. This is the first image that I'll use, and I'll have different options. Let's say option 1, and I choose also a picture. Also in Google image search, let's say Paris. Okay, and then I can add another option, option 2. I would use Baalbek, it's in Lebanon. Okay, then I can add a third one, and here it's in India, Taj Mahal. And this is a beautiful picture here. Okay, and I will add a fourth option. Let's say Mykonos. Insert. As usual, we have to have the answer key. Let's assign 1 point and choose Taj Mahal, which is the correct answer. Okay, and I click on done. What I can do, I can duplicate this question by clicking here, and for the flag I can change it, and I put instead France, for example. Okay, and I can insert the flag here. Okay, however, here the answer will change, and it will be Paris. Okay, and I click on done. So now we can see the quiz. Okay, so for the first one, if I choose Taj Mahal, and for the second question, I'll choose a wrong one. Let's say Mykonos. Okay, and I can submit. And here I can view the score. And like this, we're having the first one, it's correct. The second one is wrong. Okay, so like this, we're having a matching quiz using pictures. Thank you for watching. And if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel.